Welcome back to the Daily Doge. I'm thinking about taking the daily doges down to 3 days a week because I was doing them 5 days a week, but some of them are getting hundreds of views, some of them are only getting 30. So I'm gonna try to focus in on them and just do 3 a week and try to nail them rather than doing 5 and have some of them totally flop and then some of them take off. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let's get into it. So I have this drawn before. Usually I start in a longer time frame. These are the time frames up here, and I'm using TradingView. I have another video about how I set that up. Turn off all these drawings. Okay, so here is this wave so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. So far we've got 3 waves down and then 3 waves back up. And I've been thinking it's gonna do another 3 waves down. We've already got one of them and almost 2 of them done as far as it looks like from here, but let's zoom in a little closer, and it looks like it's falling at the moment. So was this the top? Okay, here was the top back here where it went up to 74 on this particular chart. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I have these drawn 1, 2, 3, and then this was definitely another 1, 2, 3 in the subwaves, like this. 1, 2, 3, which made an X, it appears. And then right here, what's going to happen seems like we're going to get the rest of this wave down, which I have this measured out from the length of that first wave to here. But honestly, that might not be done. This second wave in the middle might not totally be done. That could have been it right there. So this could be 2 different things. And I know people don't want to hear that. I know that people want an exact thing. But then what if I say it's an exact thing and it ends up being wrong? The thing about Elliott waves is that you have to have an alternate count so that if something goes not according to your plan, you're not completely blindsided by it. So this looks like 1. Now either that can be 2, and there could be a 3 coming up, or this second middle wave is not even done. Could be something more like that. I mean, I saw 3 waves right there. 1, 2, 3. But was that a sub 3, or was that the whole thing? We'll find out if this goes up again. And if this was it right there, then what are we at right now? Well, then we're at my alerts are going off. Let's see. Then this would be the 1, this would be the 2, and this would be the 3. Let me change the color of that so that you can see the difference. Okay, so that one is the subwave. So these all have subwaves, if you didn't notice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, maybe 3. Or this could be 1, 2, 3 for this x, like I mentioned a minute ago. So if this pops up again to around 35-ish, and then goes back down, or it could have already happened and going down from here. That's what I think. Could be wrong. I had a big buy zone down here. I don't know if it's going to enter it again. So, and I had the buy zone up to here before, under the 0.618 Fibonacci line for this huge wave that was going up before. It already came back down. It already came down to that and passed it, but it didn't quite make it down to that 0.786. So that's where I was thinking this might try to head down to, in that area. So let me edit my buy zone to something like this. The bottom of that wave and just a little bit below the 0.786. It might get down that far. Otherwise, I'm just going to be trading based on the RSI, and I talk about that in several of the videos in my playlist. Check out the I have a crypto playlist. I have a daily Doge playlist, and I can do technical analysis for other coins or stocks or gold and silver. If you want to see that, the Elliott waves, let me know in the comments and I will do my best. So I'm thinking about doing these, shifting this daily Doge schedule to maybe Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. And then there have been people asking for more Alkaline videos, and I've got I do some travel and mukbang videos. One of them's coming out. I have it scheduled for tomorrow. I might change it to Friday, or I might keep it for tomorrow. So I might try to do 3 daily Doges a week, and then the Alkaline videos either 1 or 2 on the weekend, to accommodate all the people. I would make a separate channel for each thing, but right now I'm almost monetized on this channel, so I want to focus in on this channel, and then maybe in the future, if it keeps getting more and more popular, then I could branch off and make a separate crypto channel if it warrants it. But right now, I think just staying on the same channel is the best. So here's what I think might happen. Now, if it goes up from here, then I'll recount. But I'm always taking a look at it and recounting. And also, I'm zooming in to see what's going on more short term. So right now, this isn't quite oversold yet on the 15-minute, but let's see. On the 5-minute, it's showing kind of a buy signal right there, where the RSI was down here, but the price keeps going down and the RSI doesn't. But I would wait a couple minutes and see how far this drops, because I think it's going to drop. But if it doesn't, then I'll keep an eye on. I'm about, just to be transparent, I'm about halfway in right now, waiting for it to drop to get more. I'm nibbling each time I see buy signals. I'm just nibbling little bits of it. I'm not going all in right now until I see something drastic happen, down or up. So, and again, don't buy or sell just because of something I said, because I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And what I recommend, though, is for you to learn as much as you can so that you can rely on your own technical analysis in the future. If you're a beginner right now, you don't have to throw all your money into anything. Just you can watch and learn as much as you can until you feel comfortable, and then take some action then. Because if you just jump in right away before you know what's going on, you could very well lose a lot, especially because in crypto is so volatile that it swings up and down so far that you could really get wiped out if you're not paying attention, or if you get emotional and react at the wrong time. So if you sell when it's down here, that would have been a buy signal, not a sell signal to me. But my signals don't have to be for you. I'm just showing what works for me. And so far, I haven't lost any money on Doge, amazingly enough. So I could have made a lot more than I have, but I have a lot of other things going on. If you're glued to your computer 24/7, sometimes you have to sleep. And sometimes there were big moves in the night that I wasn't awake for and stuff like that. So you have to take into account, it's difficult. If it was super easy, everyone would be doing it. There is risk because what's the underlying asset on Doge? A lot of people that are trading it probably don't even know, because I have a high IQ and I have a hard time understanding crypto. I mean, I understand what it is, but I don't necessarily think it's an asset. That being said, I am comfortable risking, more than some other people are. So that's why I say the disclaimers, not to just follow someone else, even if it's not me, because then you're going to have to watch every second what they're doing, and they might not be posting. So it's always good to know as much as you can on your own so that you can rely on yourself. But hey, that takes time and experience. So that's why I'm making all these free videos. If you appreciate them, let me know in the comments. Leave a like and some feedback, what direction or what type of videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I have a lot more videos coming out. Like I said, there's some videos that I've been working hard editing that will be coming out either tomorrow or this weekend. And then I'll have daily Doge, probably 3 a week. And, if you're in some crypto or Doge groups somewhere relevant online, please share this. It helps with the channel. I'm pumping out as many videos as I can to help get the channel to the next level, and I appreciate all the help and support so far. That being said, thank you again. Trust nature and live alkaline, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.